So the way we're finishing our perimeters with the decking is by cutting the groove out of 2 boards. This will be our fascia, this will be our picture frame, and they should meet up like such. That's the finish we're going for. Now there's multiple ways you can cut that groove out. You can use a table saw like we have. Or you can even set up a guide on your circular saw and run it through a board. So this is the guide I was talking about, aka a fence. Slides into your circular saw, and your circular saw should come with it. You set your depth, just enough to cut the groove, lock that in there. Set your depth this way as well, so you're not cutting off more than you need. So now that we've cut that groove out of our board to create our edge board, we're going around and building a picture frame. Here's our miter cut on a 45. We're keeping them nice and tight, just like that. It's turned out awesome. So now we'll go along and screw it down with our colour match stainless steel screws and clip in these ones here. So we're going along now and attaching our fascias. We've pinned it temporarily, well not temporarily, but we've pinned it so it stays in position. I'm going along now and actually screwing it off, using my square to mark down, get my screw lines nice and straight, 1 screw top, 1 screw bottom, roughly 450 apart. Always make sure to pre-drill, that's with any composite. And then go in with our stainless steel screws.